In this video I'm going to be enhancing the woman's skin tone, and I'm going to start by clicking on the rectangle over here. And then we want to make a rectangle that completely covers the woman's skin. And then if you click on the colour studio, we're going to change the colour of the rectangle to a more peachy skin tone colour. And then click on the layer studio and then click on the 3 circles at the top. And then change the blend mode from normal to multiply. And then we can go back to the layer options. And then we just want to mask this rectangle so it only applies to the woman's face. So if you click on the plus and then empty mask layer, there's now a black mask applied to the rectangle so it's completely invisible. So to bring back the rectangle, just click on the brush tool and make sure the colour is in white and that there's 0 hardness. And then just paint over his skin. Make sure to avoid the eyes and the teeth when you do this too. If you've made a mistake or you've gone too far over, just change the colour to black and that'll hide it again. Now I'm just going to zoom out, click on the rectangle layer, click on the 3 dots again. We're just going to lower the opacity to about 25%. Then if we just go back to layer options, we can see what it's like with and without the rectangle. And you can always change the colour of it as well if you make sure you're on the move tool, click on rectangle and then click back to the colour.